Hello, everyone. Welcome to my new video on the Smart Assistant channel. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable a dark mode on the WhatsApp application. Dark mode not only gives your favorite messaging app a more modern and elegant look, but also reduces eye strain, especially in low light conditions. So, if you're interested, stay until the end to learn. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application. Now, in the top right corner, tap on the 3 vertical dots, then click on the Settings option. Once you've done that, in this section, go into the Chats option. In the Display section, tap on the first option, Theme, then select Dark. Tap OK. Great. Now, your WhatsApp application is set to dark mode. Very easy. I hope this short and simple video was helpful to you. If it was, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.